Hey guys, Surgeon General here, and here I am with Daca and Aleksandra, and we're gonna see what are their thoughts on all things Balkan, because if anyone's honest, it's kids. Alright, kupus.
I mean, it's okay.
Pasul or grach?
Pasul.
Grak.
Grach?
I don't know how to say it.
Do you know what grach is?
No.
Oh. Well, it's like the pea stew, so instead of beans, it's peas.
Oh, I like peas, so.
Alright, so we'll stick with grach. What is your favorite part of folklore?
Losing weight.
That's something I need to do.
Whoa. Oh, you guys think about that at such a young age, losing weight? It's like you're gonna grow out of it.
I'm skinny already, so.
We need to put you on a diet, hon. Right away.
I know, right?
Throw away the Coke. So how many kids do you guys have in your group?
Oh my god, I have like 200.
Do you think that some of them suck?
Oh.
Like we could kick them out of the group?
Yeah.
Do you want to tell us which ones?
No.
Well, it sucks for you guys because you guys have like the potato sack dress,
Yeah.
the belt, the horse tail that's wrapped around your head.
Yeah, exactly.
You guys have...
Yes, gaga! Slay, mama!
I remember one year when I was dancing folklore as a kid, my opanke were too loose. And as I was like doing my, like rocket move, like my shoes just shot into the crowd. I remember crying. And then I quit folklore for a couple of years. I was embarrassed, yeah. What are your thoughts about crying kids at Krishtiania?
I'm really annoyed by that.
I'm like, stop. I'm getting out of here.
Do you think they need another dunk in the water tank?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'd rather let them drown instead of live.
Push it, pomozi.
No, that's what I think. I don't want to do it. But
Child.
Oh, that's what she thinks. She will not do what she thinks.
yeah.
Okay. So I know who I'm not calling to my Krishtiania. For my child.
Can you like zoom in on my face like whenever I do weird faces?
Do you guys want to eat?
No.
After the video, sure.
Okay.
So, what are your guys' thoughts on Slava? Do you like your own Slava? Do you like going to other people's Slavas? What's the deal?
I like our Slava because we get like things, so like. I don't really want to I don't want to give people stuff because I want toys. So I'm still a kid.
What is your favorite thing to do at Slavas, other than eating?
Hanging out with my family, talking about life and how much it sucks.
I like hanging out with like the babies and stuff because they're so adorable. I don't know.
But you wanted to drown them like 2 seconds ago.
I hate babies crying.
Oh.
That's a thing.
Well, they're only fun when they're not crying.
Yeah.
And then when they start crying, you return them back to their parents.
Yeah. Like bye.
Or drunk.
Bye. Or
Bye.
drunk.
Bye, Felicia.
So, what are your guys' thoughts when the pup comes over to bless your home?
Okay.
I hate getting wet. He goes into my bedroom like.
You better clean that water out.
Keep posted on upcoming videos by subscribing to my channel down here. Follow me on Snapchat and Instagram at Srdjan_General and Facebook and Twitter at Srdjan General.